We're now by the tank plinth in Cedars Park in Cheshunt, Hertfordshire, and there's a replica tank, a male Mark 1, male Mark 4 that's just been put on here late last year. And the present tank plinth description, which you can read, it's recommended that this be the new information. British male Mark 4 tank, 1917, with cannon and machine guns. The original female Mark 4 only had machine guns and was one of 259 female presentation tanks to communities across the country who had raised funds for the war effort. Tank trials were held in 1916 at Hatfield Park, supported by 3rd Battalion Mid-Harts, and its development was strongly supported by Winston Churchill, then First Sea Lord. The tanks worked in sections of 3 on the battlefield, the male in centre and females alongside, who raked trenches each side as they advanced, with the male concentrating on fortified positions and gun emplacements. The photo of Mabel Ettridge and her father in 1920 was with the original female tank 2740. The replica tank has had 2740 put on the side, but of course it is wrong and a new number is being found of a male Mark 4. Also, information will be provided on the display board about the film company who commissioned this replica tank for different films and was built by Dave Engineering. And it is hoped that the new display board and the new fencing around the tank and the new information about the 8-foot Tommy opposite the tank will be available before this year's 2020 Armistice Day Remembrance Ceremony. That is the latest update. Bye bye.